Espresso Works all-in-one espresso machine. This is the machine that literally does it all. It's easy to use, serves single and double shots of espresso, and is perfect for making lattes at home. The Espresso Works all-in-one espresso machine looks far more complicated than it is. This grind and brew machine provides freshly ground beans whenever you need them and makes small batches to ensure they don't go stale. There's also a 15-bar pressure function that crafts perfect lattes in less than a minute. The entire system pressurizes very quickly, but is still safe because of its top-of-the-line overheating safety feature. The entire system will shut down before it begins to overheat. This safety feature will save you a ton of worry as it does heat up quickly. Finally, one of its features is the water filtration system. Its 1.25 water reserve filters all of its water right before use. That way, you'll have the best tasting latte available. But the issue that took the Espresso Works all-in-one espresso machine down to almost the bottom of our list is its cleaning difficulty. The simple design results in a lot of individual parts to break apart when it comes time for cleaning.